Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I will be unboxing the new HP Poly Mission 625 USB headset. The HP Poly Mission 625 stereo USB headset is a plug-and-play headset that delivers all-day comfort, premium audio performance, and enhanced workplace performance. This headset has AI noise reduction and super wideband audio, making it a great headset for today's business professionals. So now when we take a look inside the box, we have our quick start guide and warranty information. And then looks like we have a little carrying case that it comes in. Magnetic carrying case. It's very cool. And then our headset. I'm going to take it out of this packaging real quick. There we go. And there we have it. Is a 285-degree swivel mic, allowing the user to wear it comfortably on either side that they would like, left or right. The Mission 625 is Microsoft Teams Open Office certified, making it perfect for open offices, shared spaces, and any other noisy location. The headset uses dual AI-enhanced noise reduction microphones that help minimize background distractions and maintain clear voice transmission for improved sound quality. The SoundGuard digital technology keeps volumes at a safe level to protect your hearing. And then the padded ear cushions are made with all-day comfort. And then the swivel mic, when it goes all the way up, it will automatically mute. And then there will also be a busy light to show people around you when you are on a call and should not be disturbed. And then making our way down through the cord will be our remote call control. That is where we will have our volume up, volume down, mute, answer end, and then your Microsoft Teams button. And then you plug it in, and it's going to have a USB-C to USB-A adapter, giving you the option for A and C, being able to use it with different types of computers, laptops, PCs, or phones. The HP Poly Mission 625 stereo USB headset is a versatile headset that is certified for Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet, and compatible with virtually every business communication service and platform. Combining all-day comfort, advanced noise reduction, and enterprise-grade audio performance, the HP Poly Mission 625 is an excellent solution for professionals that are in an office, remote, or in a noisy environment. If you have any other questions about the Mission 625, any other headsets, or any other products, please check out our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks for watching.